This time I'm going to help you out with Minecraft lag. Some of these settings will help with internet problems and some will help with slow computer issues. So we're going to want to go under Options, go to Video Settings. Lowering the graphics quality will decrease graphics like leaves, water, shadows, and trees for faster gameplay. Turn that down. Smooth lighting makes a smoother transition between the light levels of different areas in your Minecraft world. The smooth lighting level is just a more intricate way to adjust smooth lighting. So set this one low or off. The GUI scale changes the size of the buttons and stuff, so you can do whatever you want with that. You can turn brightness to whatever you want. It only affects the brightness of the game, not really lag. Dynamic lights just adds a bit more realism to the game. It makes light sources glow on your hand so you don't have to place them, but you don't need to have that on and it increases lag. So most definitely turn that off. Shaders significantly improve the looks of the game, but it's even worse than graphics for lagging your computer. So if you're watching this video, I'd say leave those off for now. Go under Details. Clouds lag you so bad, it's not even funny. Definitely turn those off, and they're not even that useful, and they actually impact your playing when playing something that has PvP. This changes the movement of the leaves, so cosmetically it won't look as good if you turn it down, but I think it's definitely worth it because trees will lag you. The sky blends the colors of nighttime and sunset to make the game look better. Turn that off though. It's not necessary. Turn off sun and moon. All it does is make the sun and moon go away. In my opinion, fog is really annoying, so I'd turn that down, and it increases lag, so definitely turn that down. For translucent blocks, when you place two blocks together, sometimes it changes the texture of those two blocks and blinks them, so turn that off so it's not as slow of a game. Dropped items, when you throw an item down onto the ground, it'll like float and stuff. Turn that down though, because it is a really laggy feature. It adds this weird shadow thing around your screen when it's full screened, but it lags you really bad, so turn that off. I actually hate the vignette. So entity distance is like render distance for animals and players, and it shows how far you can see them from. Turn this down because it is really laggy. For cloud height, it doesn't really matter what you have this on if you turned off clouds, but it just shows how high or how low the clouds are. Rain and snow won't happen in most PvP worlds, but if you're doing a survival server and rain lags you really bad, turn that down to off. Stars are okay to leave on if you want to, because they're not that laggy, they just show at nighttime anyways. You can leave on capes, all those do is show players' capes. They don't really lag. If you have fog off, fog cert won't really matter, but it just shows how close you'll see the fog. Turn that high or low depending on what you like. I'd say leave this one on because it doesn't lag you and it actually helps with playing the game. It shows the durability of the tool left and stuff when you hover over it. In Minecraft there are swamps. This changes the color of the water in swamps. It's not really useful. I'd turn it off. This is a random chance of alternate textures. It's based on seeds and the choice of the spot. It changes the block's look depending on the seed, I think. This blends the ocean biome watercolor, but it's really laggy, so I turn that down. I hope these settings will help with your Minecraft and hopefully speed up your computer. There are more settings, so click on our next video. And as always, keep it infinite.